Are you in exit mode with money? How's your relationship with money? Is it bad? Is it worst? Is it good? Or is it one of those amazing dream relationships? How is your relationship with money? Most of us are always in exit mode with money. We all want to be rich, don't we? We all want to enjoy the pleasures, the comforts, the luxuries. And if not the luxuries, if not all the pleasures, we at least want the basic comfort. Something that will make our life easy, that does not make us worry about our future, our family's future, our loved ones' future, of our health. Tomorrow if I fall sick, what am I going to do? Where am I going to manage the money from? What if I don't have a house? I don't have enough money to buy the house. Are you in exit mode with money? What is an exit mode? When, before money comes, you are sitting down and working out. Oh my God, this money has to go there. Oh my God, I have so many more expenses. How am I going to manage this money? When this money comes, I'm going to send it here, I'm going to send it there, I'm going to pay back this. Of course we have to pay back. Of course we have to do the calculation. But how? How? Allow the money to be part of you. Allow the money to stay in your house for some time. It's like a guest you don't want. It's like a guest, the moment the guest starts coming in, the moment you get to know that the guest is coming, you start to fret. You start to get scared. Oh my God, how will I manage this guest? If your equation with money is that of a guest coming to your house that you're really scared of, might overstay, then you need to change this, because you have to welcome this guest. You have to make this guest a member of your house. There's simple techniques, there's simple ways, simple exercises. You've been able to design some very, very unique exercises, meditations, manifestations, through which not only do you realize what's going wrong in your equation with money, but you're able to correct it. And trust me, the moment you correct your equation, the moment you correct your energy exchange with money, the moment you correct that energy dynamics you have with money, every money that comes to you is going to only pull more. And every bit of that money that goes out is going out to bring in more. Want to try this? Let's try it together.